After replacing your Jeep key fob battery, typically a CR2032 or CR2450 type, the fob might lose synchronization with your vehicle. This synchronization issue is common, especially in Jeep models from 2014 onwards. The good news is you can often fix this yourself by reprogramming the fob's RFID chip to communicate properly with your Jeep's body control module. Newer Jeep models from 2018 onwards include digital key options through the Uconnect app, which can reduce reliance on physical key fobs for entry and starting. Before attempting any resync, make sure you use the correct battery type for your Jeep key fob. Using an incorrect battery can cause permanent damage to the device. For most Jeep models from 2014 to 2025, including Wrangler, Cherokee, and Renegade, start by entering the vehicle and closing all doors. Next, insert the key into the ignition. For keyless models, press the start button instead. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine, then cycle it off and on 3 times within 10 seconds. Press and hold the fob's lock and unlock buttons simultaneously until the vehicle's lights flash, indicating successful resync. For push-button start Jeeps like the 2019 and newer Grand Cherokee, hold the fob near the start button while cycling the engine. If the resync fails, disconnect the vehicle's battery for 30 seconds to clear the body control module. Other potential issues include weak signals due to interference or physical damage to the fob itself.